What's the deal with that sudden cough attack at dinner? Let's talk about aspiration. Aspiration happens when food, liquid, or even saliva accidentally enters your airway instead of your esophagus. Your body reacts quickly to protect your lungs. That's why you cough. It's like your body's natural defense system kicking into overdrive. When you swallow, a small flap called the epiglottis usually covers your windpipe to keep things moving smoothly. But sometimes distractions or even talking while eating can make the epiglottis miss a beat. Though occasional aspiration is common, frequent incidents might indicate an underlying issue. So if you find yourself coughing at every meal, it might be worth a chat with your doctor. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, chewing carefully can save you from that surprise cough attack.